Hey yo, we're wiping off. Woo! Doesn't matter how you do it, in circles, backwards and forwards, up and down. What's that in the grout? It doesn't matter. But all the time you're watching your lines, concentrating on what you're doing. And there you have it, folks. That's how you do it. With clips, you know, like, it makes it so flat, so beautiful. You know, this is this is a cheap white tile. And I reckon they're so good. They're exact in size. You use clips, you can't fault, you know, you can't fault them. And for the price, oh, beautiful. Okay, good people. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell, press the subscribe button. I'm here to teach you. Listen and learn.